Some say I'm not the mark, yo, that part. Dog, bro. Whoa. We see the bumper clad Jamaica flag right there, son. It not gonna pass the face, no.
Reaction.
A bad man thing. Yo, before this video begins, guys, check out that song here. You see me I say, if you like that song here, the link will be down below in the description and also pinned in the comment section. Give it a listen.
With the girl from Jamaica, Guyana, Trinidad, the girls from Barbados, with the girls from St. Lucia, with the girls from all over, you don't know.
Yeah, hey Miss Senorita, girl is so good to meet ya. Do you mind if I call your mamacita? Because that's the way the coolie boy me want to greet ya. So you're mucho bonita, get your skin pretty but you hot like fire.
Yeah, so you like it? Click the link, check it out. Drop some fire emoji so them know say the reaction boss send you over there, so see me and say run the video right now. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tariq Vlogs, aka the reaction. The reaction, ooh. The reaction, ooh. Ooh. Back to the reaction for you guys. Right now I have a song from Guyana. So we have Poppy 5 and 2, we have Kelder King people. Now I'm putting this reaction on the main channel, you understand me, just to let you guys know. Because a lot of y'all didn't watch the video that I posted, you understand me? Didn't watch the video that I posted on January the 1st to let y'all know why there's not really no more reactions on this channel. Okay, so giving you the update right now. I have a reaction channel called Tariq Reacts. I've been posting every single day over the channel. Go check it out. Go check it out. But right now I have a song right now, a song called 40 G's. We're finna turn up right now, see what's popping for Guyana. We'll see what go on. Like up the video, people. So let's big up to Coolbacks Entertainment, said Speed. You see me I say Poppy 592, you see me I say, and Kelder King, and them really go on the team. You see me I say, because see what go on. Coolbacks, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Run tune! A long time nigga, now we see what go.
Just touch upon the scene.
Yeah.
And that's a big up to my blood clot bad man friend.
Big them up!
Poppy 592.
Yeah.
Kelder King.
Yeah.
Big up to the bomb buckler itself.
Big up to the bomb buckler itself. Big up, Guyana one time. For the G's. Well, the dad said, big up my dad, we know some now fling them up for sending them the mark. What do you hear the lyrics? Hold on there. Come here, so we turn down, you know. Me say, oh, you turn down, you know. Go on. Listen, man, now. Dad, we know some now fling them up for sending them the mark.
Just for your bag go, man, this been a brag go. Now that time is swag go. Guyana my flag go, now my time and everything. And talk again like ticket.
Look what my drip. Fresh like Kalaloo. You know, Kalaloo market, I sell you some water for the Kalaloo, sprinkle some water for the Kalaloo. Fresh like Kalaloo. Go on.
Still they got that trigger finger. Shoot this gun, Jeffy focus on the last one of fire. Said they boy get shoot them. If you know that I'm about to run this down. Yes, me like it when the ladies wind their bumper to the ground. Me like it when she bring it back up, yeah, she big fuck.
We like it when the ladies wind their bumper to the ground. We love it when the ladies wind their bumper to the ground. You know the reaction boss don't play when it comes to the females already. We love it. We don't just like it. We love it. You see me? We love that. Yo, your reaction says a lot. The first time I drop, run tune.
Fuck the body, I forget this slap up, I forget the cock up. Take it to the mall and do the shop up.
The pump so good. Not take it to the mall. The dance take it to the mall and do the shop up. Versace, Gucci, Guan.
Bring your friend when named Susie. You plus me plus
she. Hey.
No clothes, no party.
Bring your friend named Susie. You plus me plus she. Great party. Go on.
When they got them, give me brain.
Me love it too.
Me like brainy Yeah, yeah. Coming out of gal mode just like similar. Like it when you stop, you sit on the car. It's just they bouncing like shit, they up on their bike. When I'm from dark, but
You have to say them know that the mark.
just for your bug out. But it's been a brand.
Bug out.
That time it's swag out. I'm a flag, go down my tongue and everything and talk. I got like tiki-tack it and drop. With the G non-stop, you got no rock.
It's like if I give you a Caribbean rap flow, rate it, isn't it? I like a song. I want to think about the song. What are your thoughts? Drop on the 2 cents down below in the comment section and see if you're not messing with that song right now. If you guys are messing with the song, you all know what to do. The link is going to be down below in the description and also pinned in the comment section. You understand? You know that go already. You know? You see me? So do the right thing and leave a like on the video. Drop some fire emoji. No, hold on. Hold on. Drop some fire emoji on the video right now. Tear up the like button like so you never see my face before, like the first time I see my face in my life. Tear up the like button. You understand? You understand what I'm saying to y'all? Tear up the like button. 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 You do it already? Run tune.
Money in the pocket, you know you bro. Worldwide international, bro. Big up the dog, and
Some dog for saying I'm not the mark. Yo, that part. Dog, whoa. We see the bomb flag, Jamaica flag right there, so now. It not gonna pass the face now. Big up y'all too now. Big up the whole Caribbean too now. Big up you too for watching the reaction bar shine. See if you watch me right now, I say big up to you. Thank you very much for the love and the support. Follow me on Instagram. Let's see we start go live and do giveaways. There right there, so Terry Vlogs. You understand me? Go follow me. We can win some money and we got the whole Caribbean. You know that go. We go see a big batty girl. A big batty girl at 100 US because she come for life come to work. It is bad. We love the girl with it. Some dark for saying no lot of mark.
Just for your bug out, but it's been a
Dog boat.
that time it's swag out. Diana, I'm a flag
Dog boat.
everything and talk. I got like tiki-tack it and drop. With the G non-stop, you got no
Tiki Pakistan Jacks for the G-Nuts. Yo, hold on, me hear that part again. Because I don't know more hear that part. I want to hear this part again.
Flag out, I'm a talk and every girl that tiki-tack it and drop. Non-stop, non-stop.
Listen now.
Just for your bug out, but it's been a
Dog boat.
that time it's swag out.
Wait.
Diana, I'm a flag
Dog boat.
everything and talk. I got like tiki-tack it and drop.
That part. You gotta Tiki Pakistan drop it. Flag out. Fresh. Like color low. Ladies, pause. Where him there? Where catch my again for me? Where him there? Alright, pause. Rate the drip them, ladies. Ladies, look at the man them drip. Rate the drip them. You hear me? Go on, boy. You know, some nappy saying on the mark. We not brag about. I know me flag out. I don't know that good. Reaction boss. Reaction boss. Don't play with people. You see me? Like up this video again as I said. Link to the original song will be down below in the description. And check out the song.
Long ball and J, in a your passive voice, deep down all night, tell me the whole day. My bedroom a call me like where you there. Yeah, me day in a hole in a New York. A gal, I just a drop it on me, the type of vibe.
You see me? I say, yeah, if you fuck with that song there too, you see me? Link will be down below too in the description. Guitar listen. Same artist them. Bad piece of song. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, babo! Subscribe to the reaction channel, people. Tariq Reacts. You understand? I've been a post every single day over there, so I'm trying to post this video. Hopefully nothing go wrong. You understand me? Hopefully we can get to post that video and hopefully we can see that video. You see me? I say, man, I'm really missing up on that channel there. But you have to understand, say YouTube thing, dog. I try to mess for make sure I'm still on the platform. You understand me? I'm making entertain on the set speed, so big up on yourself. Thank you for the love and the support. Tariq Reacts, run go over there right now like I hear news. Peace out.